Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to add another user or guest user on your Windows 11 computer. So click on start menu, then click on settings, and once you click on settings, we are creating the local user on our computer. So click on here accounts, and once you click on accounts here, you can look for other user here. This you can see other users. Click on that option, then click on add account, and it will ask you to log in with a Microsoft account, but in this video I'm going to use the local account. So I don't have this person info. Click on that option, and once you click on that option, the Microsoft should not redirect you to local account. Just click on this add user without a Microsoft account, and if you want to create that, just test2. You can recreate the password here. I'm not creating it. Next. Now the user is created successfully. Just you can expand that and change account type. You can set it to standard or the administrator. That's up to you. So I'm setting as standard account for the guest user. Then click on OK. Okay, it's now let me log out from this account now and log in with the test2 account. Click here test2, put the password if you have created. So I haven't created, so just clicking on the sign on option, and now your new user should created on your Windows like this way. So this is very easy guys. I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.